Right, hello everyone. So we're going to recap today, which is Wednesday the 23rd of October. So we've got this downwards move here. So what you've been labelling up here is this is your potential buy area. You'd have had a previous day low liquidity running along there in orange, a major day previous low there, and then you got these previous daily lows here. So you can see you got that big downwards move, but we're going to just go over that and see how we could have got into it and how we trade. So this is it on the smaller time frame. Let's go down to the 15-minute first and we can explain. So straight away, we look at the previous day. This is your discount premium sale area from the previous day. So this was a retest and then they got the impulse move down. So they could be looking for a continuation down, but what we'd be looking for is a retest of this area for a nice premium sell. That would be ideal. This is your discount buy area from that day, but you've got that big impulse move down here. So it needs a lot of confirmation to validate that buy. You have previous day lows, which are the orange lines running along there. And this is the higher time frame grey area that I spoke about, which is here. And then these are major lows here. So that all wrapped up. That's your previous weekly low too. So that all mentioned gives you all of this on the chart. So what we do is the same thing as always. We go over, label it all up and prepare for the day. I myself had a bullish bias for today, but we'll just go over how we trade. So what I was looking for is price to come and take these lows here and then give you a nice impulse move up to this area with the New York Open and then maybe a continuation down. So we go down to the 5 minute and we'll take it from the London Open. So you got opening gap here. This was the previous daily close. You got the mop here, pre-London and London Open. Straight away, the pre-London pushes down and that takes this low here. Doesn't take this low here. So you could see this as a buy opportunity if you wanted to get into it. It is valid. But myself would have waited for the London opening. London Open takes place, push to the upside, and then you take that Asian session high here. That is your first good confirmation. Once you get that reversal, you even get a retest here. So push down, retest, and then you get the fall down and support and resistance is being followed. You even get a retest there. Oh, wrong colour. You even get a retest there of the London Open, which is following the trade template too. So let's get rid of that one. So that is a nice, comfortable sell structure with the London Open. And then it continues on down through the London session and London traders are clearly selling. Now you go into the New York session and you prepare for it. So you can see we've gone through that discount buy area, but we're still within that. But we would need to see a lot of confirmations to validate this is still a discount buy area on the higher time frame. These are all previous daily lows that are running along here. So it's here and over here, and that's the previous weekly low too. So it's a major liquidity pool. So if you get a reversal here and a move up, then it is a good buy setup and it could turn into a nice swing trade. So pre-New York, high volume time and New York Open here, and these are all the previous daily lows and previous week. So you can see how price trickles down, starts to collect that liquidity, and then with the New York Open we give one last push down, takes the liquidity from here. We've cleared all of that liquidity, so that is a valid buy trade. Price goes up, clears the New York Open, so you move to break even at that time and you took partial profits as it clears this liquidity up here. So that's how you just do it. And so you took partial profits there, and you can see again we're moving up towards that London premium sell area. So we're coming into a dangerous reversal territory. Price starts to reverse. I wouldn't, of course, put that as a sell confirmation. When price starts to break through the New York Open and then give you that retracement and retest the pre-New York Open, that is a sell confirmation because it's also taking liquidity from here. You've got resistance here that's pushing pressure down, and you've got the pressure coming from here too. So on this bearish candle, that is a sell confirmation because it also favours all of this reversal too. Not respecting the New York Open, reversal near the London session premium sell area. We've taken liquidity here. So this is being seen as, I think it's 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Or half hour, could be. Let's go 15 minutes time frame. So this is being seen as pushing up to a premium sell area, then giving a downwards move template. It's not very clear, but that's what is being shown. And this bearish candle from here is showing you that power towards the downside. Price pushes down, comes up, support and resistance being respected. I did in fact put a buy trade out here, and that is because we're coming down into this grey area and it's a potential buy area, and that's on the 4-hour time frame. You can see there we're coming into this area, so you would be aware of looking for buy trades, and that is that grey area running along there. So that's why that was a valid buy, and the first area you'd look out for is support and resistance running along there. That's why when we got up to this level, we made sure we was at break even SL, and small partial profits were taken. Then you got that impulse move down to show the bearish pressure is still there. Then price drops all the way down and took these previous low. So this is a previous daily low, and this is a major low. And you can see how we took that liquidity, then started to get a reversal. So that is a valid buy, and so is that. That is a valid retest of this area here. So you can see how we're retesting those levels towards the upside now. So those are two valid buy positions. So this now turns into a discount buy area going into tomorrow. So hopefully that all makes sense. Let's just go over that. So from the London session open, these are valid sell trades. Valid sell here on the retest of the London opening, both giving profit. This is a valid buy, which I in fact took myself. New York Open, pushed down, took liquidity one more time. Then you got the reversal towards the upside. That resulted in small profit. Then you get the reversal. Didn't take this one, but obviously it gives you profit. This one, in fact, this one here gave me break even because I just moved that to break even once it got to here. So that was a break even hit for me, and like I've said on the previous video, I've just taken a buy from here to hold going through to tomorrow. So missed this one, just took this one. Overall, looking good. That's how you trade, even if your bias is wrong. It's the way you manage your trade. Well, that will give you the overall profit at the end of the month. Manage your trade correctly and you will see profit. If you don't and you hold on to losing trades, that's when everything goes wrong. You can't let the emotions kick in. That's why everything in this is done by building confidence in what you trade. You have to learn what you're looking at and what you're trading to be comfortable in letting it play out. And that's what we're doing here. Every day we recap and go over the confirmations to give you those moves and why it moved that way from that position. And this is how US30 works. Does it every day, well, most days, and it normally gives you some sort of profit, but better off, it gives you understanding on how they are buying and selling in the institutions that have all the money that move the markets. And that's what we're doing. We're understanding how the markets are moving and how we can move with them to make profit. Take care. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. Goodbye.